Hey guys, welcome back to another salsa pattern for beginners. We have a simple move for you today that you can learn and start dancing really quickly. So guys, before you go and watch this pattern, subscribe here for more free salsa content. I hope you enjoy it. See you guys soon. Hey guys, we have another simple pattern for beginners. Get ready, let's jump right into it. Basic step 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Immediately into a hammer lock. What does that mean? I grab her hand, I lift up my left hand, lower her right hand. For you, for the women, you guys are gonna do a turn, the right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and you end up in that position. You want to go all the way around until you're facing your partner completely, and your hand is going to be behind you. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One up, one down. 5, 6, 7. Now, some common mistakes when people do this is that they try to bend their wrist. You don't want to hold her with your thumbs for the men, and for the women, don't hold with your thumbs either. As you do that, you don't want to do that. Fingertips to fingertips as you guys are going through this move. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That way we do it and it's nice and safe. We're going to go on 7, moving out of the way. Left travel turn for you for the women. Men, you got to lead them on 3. So they go forward, 1, 2. On the third step, I'm going to take my left hand across the face. 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One up, one down. 3, hammer lock. 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. And to finish it off, I am going to turn her to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And we're back to the basic. 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3. I ask for the hand. 1 up, 1 down. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Move out of the way. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 5, 6, 7. And 1. And 5, 6, 7. Awesome. So that was it, guys. Let's do it now with music. Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. Awesome. Practice the pattern. I hope you get better. I hope it helps your salsa dancing. Don't just watch the videos. Go out to a salsa party and practice it. And when people tell you, hey, where are you learning all these cool moves? Tell them that you're here at the Salsa Ninja channel. And by the way, subscribe here for more free salsa content. I'm going to make you a salsa ninja. See you soon.